What's going on today, everybody? We are finally taking care of the tuning for the DYNA. We put these pipes on the bike last winter, and we never got around to actually using the fuel pack that I've had sitting in there to tune the bike for the pipes that are on there. So John actually went onto the Vance and Hines website, and for this model fuel pack, I don't know, I guess it's the third generation.
I think it's called FP3, if
Okay.
I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, so third generation fuel pack. It shows you each digital display, each mode, there's a certain tuning you need for about 18 or 20 modes there are. So you have to individually go through and cycle each mode, and I'll give a little more of a comprehensive guide as we're taking care of it right now. It's a little difficult to explain without visualizing it. So you can see we plugged in all the information, exhaust, engine, air cleaner, all the stuff that basically gives you this formula for how to tune your bike. So this is what I'm saying. There's about 18 different modes. You got to set each one to the proper value.
There's 35 modes that we have to program. So this is your specific recipe with this exhaust, high flow, air cleaner.
It might not look like it, guys, but behind the stock cover, we do actually have a high flow cleaner on there.
And what else? Yeah, stock motor with the exhaust. So we got to put the run switch into the on position. It's going to give us power to the FP3.
Yes. It's going to be a little hard to show on camera since it doesn't really pick up lights that well. It looks like it's blinking, but...
So you already see that values are already wrong. You've been running on the wrong values.
So this one here is your mode.
Yeah.
And the one next to it
Value.
is the value.
So we got to put that to 0. Mode, we go to mode 2. Oops. Damn it. Mode 2 is also 0. Mode 3 is also 0. So we're going to shut the bike off, put the cover back on.
All right, so we cycled through every single mode and set all the correct values, which, so would you say a lot of them were...
Yeah, pretty, like...
not set to the right one.
I'm going to say probably like only 2 or 3 were correct out of like the 28 or whatever that we had to change.
So the bike hasn't been necessarily running bad, but there are some things I do notice or have noticed while riding before tuning it. On the deceleration, coming off the throttle, you'd get a couple pops every now and then. Downshift, you would get a couple pops. So I even had a handful of times where the bike would randomly get to a very low idle and then stall out. It's only happened maybe 2 or 3 times, but still that's more than it should. So now that we have the proper tuning, should be good to go here. Not gonna have any more problems. All right, so she's buttoned back up. We're gonna start her up and see if there's any difference there.
Hope it don't blow up. think it's going to run a lot better, but he'll be right back and he'll let you guys know. Fueling is good now.
Yeah.
Air fuel.
For some reason, it sounds almost a little louder.
Choppy,
might just
right?
be like placebo effect. Like it sounds like a lot more heavy.
Oh yeah. Well, you're getting the proper air fuel mixture. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Not bad.
If you're getting the proper air fuel mixture, the combustion is going to be a lot stronger. You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely.
Wow, cool.
All right, guys, so I took it a little spin around the block, and there is actually a pretty noticeable difference, I have to say. Yeah, no more pops when slowing down or downshifting, and the whole throttle response seems a lot more snappy. So even if you guys really don't have any engine mods done, if you get a new set of pipes, you know, especially Vance and Hines, since, you know, you can get the Vance and Hines specific fuel pack, I highly recommend tuning your bike, even if you got just the pipes on there. It's definitely worth it. You know, the whole ride will be a lot more performance oriented than, you know, sluggish and not really performing how it's intended to. So yeah, I hope this helped some of you guys out there who were like me and I wasn't really sure what to do with that fuel pack before. So I'll see you guys out on the road. As always, guys, don't forget to hit up the Beyond Riders shop. Go over there, check out some of their awesome gear. Use code REALM in checkout. That's REALM for $10 off your order.